Today I am going to teach you simple memory tricks related to class 12 structure of atom, that is chapter 2 structure of atom. Welcome to you all. So here trick 1, trick to remember electromagnetic waves in the increasing order of their frequency. Okay, you can remember it by Roman man invented very unusual X-ray gun. Roman man invented very unusual X-ray gun. Roman is nothing but radio waves, man for microwaves, invented for infrared waves, very means visible waves, unusual means UV rays, X-ray, gun, gamma ray. Roman man invented very unusual X-ray gun. See, in vacuum, where there is no atmosphere, all electromagnetic radiation will be having the same speed. That is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Going to the trick number 2, that is radius and energy of hydrogen and hydrogen-like atoms. Hydrogen have its own radius and energy. If letter R comes, then Z will be, you have to write REZN square. First, you write at a one corner, that is REZN square. Okay. When R comes, Z will be below. When E comes, N square will be below. See, R is equal to 0.529 angstrom N square by Z. Here, energy E is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt Z square by N square. When energy comes, N square will be below. When radius comes, Z will be below. So, REZN square. Okay. Next. Coming to third trick. Tricks to remember isotope, isobar and isoters. This is the notation. Atomic, any element with atomic number below, mass number above. Means isotope. First one is isotope. Here the word top is more prominent. So you can write it and remember it as top. Means top number will be different. Top number will be different. That is mass number different. If mass number is different, then it is isotope. But atomic number will be same. Okay. Then isobar, bottom number will be different. That is atomic number will be different in isobars, but mass number will be same. For example, carbon and nitrogen. Then isoters. Isoters means same number of atoms and same number of electrons. Here the letter E is more prominent, ters, E. So, E means same number of electrons. For example, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Okay. Next, nuclear fission and fusion. How to remember the process? In the word fission, I is more prominent. I means split. Split in the word split, I is there. So, I, fission, split. Then fusion, letter U. U means union. Okay. You can remember it as fission, split, fusion, union. Okay. Next, tricks for penetrating power of rays. Which rays will be more penetrating? You can remember it as alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha is least penetrating, gamma is most penetrating. Then fundamental particles and discoverers you need to remember. They will ask for 1 marks. So you can simply remember it as pen gold Tc. Pen gold Tc. P is for proton, A is for electron, N is for neutron, gold is for Goldstein, T is for Thomson, C is for Chadwick. Then come to 4 quantum numbers. See, 4 quantum numbers are principal quantum number, that is represented by N, that is about shell. Azimuthal quantum number L, about subshell. Magnetic quantum number M, that is about orientation. Spin quantum number S, about spin. See, in this configuration 3s1, 3 will be the number of shell N. Then, what about the azimuthal quantum number? If it is yes, then L value will be 0. Next. See, in the atom, there will be shell, within the shell, subshell, within the subshell, orbitals, within the orbital, electrons are revolving. Then, atomic number and mass number. You can remember it as A man. A man. A for atomic number, P for number of protons, E for electrons. Right, finish. A. M is for mass number, A is for atomic number, N is for number of neutrons. Totally, you have to remember it as A man. You can remember both atomic number, mass number definition. Okay. Next, isotopes, isobars and isotones. See, bring a top talented man, that is BTT man. Why BTT? B is for bars, isobars. T is for isotopes. Then another T is for isotones. B, isobars means mass number will be same. Isotopes means atomic number will be same. Then isotones means number of neutrons will be same. B for bottom, that is isobars, mass number will be same. T is for isotopes, atomic number will be same. Isotones, number of neutrons will be same. Then, this we have already discussed. Then, electromagnetic radiations in the visible region will be VIB-Gyre. Usually, you will be knowing this VIB-Gyre, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Coming to the next trick, that is about Hund's rule. Hund's rule, you can remember it as Hindustan 1. Why? In Hund's rule, electron should be like, means half filled first. If there is an orbital, electron filling takes place singly, like this. So, this is according to Hund's rule. Electron should be like this one, half filled first. So, you can remember it as Hindustan first. Trick to remember Pauli's principle. Means, previous year questions, you will always hear this word. So, skip this Y, PQ. Pauli's always directly related to quantum numbers. In future, I will tell you the definition of Pauli's principle. Well, if you want to remember Aufbau's principle, just remember A, that is Aufbau energy. According to energy levels, filling takes place, right? So, AE. Next, total number of special lines for N1 to N2 transition formula is N2 minus N1 into N2 minus N1 plus 1 divided by 2, where N1 is the initial level, N2 is the final level. Then, how to remember the tricks for radial nodes? You just remember the word that is nil. Nil. Why nil? That is N minus L minus 1, when L is the number of angular nodes. Then, Aufbau's principle. Tricks to remember Aufbau's principle. See, in Aufbau principle, electrons fill in the orbitals according to the sequence. How electrons will be filled in the orbitals is explained by Aufbau principle. So, you remember, always bring cute new overalls for playing tennis. Then, how to remember Pauli's exclusion principle? I already told you it directly related to quantum number. What it states, two electrons in an atom can have the same set of, no two electrons can have the same set of quantum numbers. See, you can remember it as Pauli prohibits partnerships. Next, how to remember Hund's rule? Hund's rule emphasizes that electron occupy orbitals singly before pairing up. Before pairing up, it will occupy singly, right? So, Hund has single socks. You can remember it as Hund has single socks. So, it is singly paired. Next, how to remember the hydrogen spectrum spectral lines? If electron jumps from any higher state to ground state or lower state, then it is then that energy released is called Lyman series. Then when electron jumps from any higher state to second state, then it is Balmer series. If electron jumps to third state, then it is Paschen. Fourth state, then it is Bracket. Then fifth state, it is Pfund series. Okay. You can remember this series as London बहुत पुराना city है. London बहुत पुराना city है. ये London is for Lyman, बहुत is for Balmer, Purana is for Paschen, बहुत is for Bracket, Purana is for Pfund. Lyman UV, Balmer visible. Okay. Other than that, Paschen, Bracket, Pfund is IR. Then how to remember the sequence of orbitals? Orbital sequence is SPDF GHIK. Sober physicists don't find giraffes hiding in kitchens. Sober S, physicist P, don't D, find F, giraffe G, hiding H, in I, kitchens K. See, except S and P, all letters are arranged in alphabetical order till K. D, F, G, H, I, K, right? Except S and P. Next.
Teli, Vesi, Ite.
See, electrons filling will be like this. I'll tell you the simple thing to remember in future. Planck's quantum theory, you can remember it as Employees Provident Fund. Employee means energy, Provident means Planck's constant, Fund is for frequency. So, energy E is equal to Planck's constant is represented by H, frequency is nu. Finally, it becomes E is equal to H nu. You can remember it as Employees Provident Fund. Then, quantum numbers can be remembered as SPAM. SPAM Y, S is for spin quantum number, P is for principal quantum number, A is for azimuthal quantum number, and M is for magnetic. Next. See, how to fill the orbitals, means how to fill the electrons in an orbital. You can remember simply this rule, that is 1s, that is 1s, sp, 2s, 2p. Another sp, 3s, 3p. Only difference is instead of 2, you have to write 3. 3s, 3p. Then force means 4s. Towards DSP, that is DPS, Delhi Public School. First, you need to write 3D, 4P, 5S. 3, 4, 5, DPS, Delhi Public School. Next, coming to 4th floor, that is 4F. Then again DPS, but the principal quantum number changes. 4 will be shifted to 5, 5 will be shifted to 6, 6 will be shifted to 7. Okay, next, 5th floor, that is 5F. Then DPS, Delhi Public School. 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Okay. Here, electrons filling will be in this order. Okay. Once SP, force towards DPS, again DPS, then 4th floor, DPS, 5th floor, DPS. If you write 1 or 2 times, you will get it to practice. Okay. Next. See, with exceptional electronic configuration, only 10 elements will be having exceptional electronic configuration. I'll tell you how to remember this. In 3D series, chromium and copper both have 4s1. In 3D, chromium and copper both have 4s1. In 4D series, niobium, molybdenum, rubidium, rhodium, palladium and silver all have 5s1 except this palladium which has 5s0. Then 5D, platinum and aurum both will be having 6s1. Okay. Next. You can remember, already I told you, APE means atoms will be having same number of proton and same number of electrons. You can remember it as APE. Then NNAP means nucleus is composed of neutrons and protons. So by this, I have completed a structure of atom memory tricks. In next class, I'll come with another new topic with memory tricks to help you to remember the facts, formulas, and concepts. Thank you.